pissed him off. Yeah, he's an angry fish.
That shit hurt right there, he said.
Rusty reached out and stuck him green like that coming by the boat, and he got used.
Fucking made that fish mad, didn't he?
Yeah, he did. I ain't had a video ready to put on Facebook yet. I got so many, Greg. I got to make the DVD first. Out of gear. There he comes up.
Scratch on his bag. Below his back. That hurts.
Kick it in gear. Stubborn ass fish. Oh, I don't want to die. Fight him low, John. Fight him low. Keep your rod low. Take short pumps. Short pumps. Don't hurry. Hey, what's the hurry? We ain't missing nothing. Play him out. He's wanting to battle. He's a damn heart of a lionfish. That's what I'm talking about. A 25-pounder with the heart of a lion, dude.